October 14th was a very busy day in the Late Bloomer Garden transformation. It started early on Monday with the metal guy who comes around and picks up all the scrap metal. Take a look. After that, the painters arrived for the last day of their painting work, but first I solicited them to move my piano. Take a look.
Actually, I think we're gonna move it more than she thinks we're gonna move it.
Phil, are you gonna roll it? You're gonna
Okay,
set it.
ready?
Wait, no. You're gonna set it on the wood and then move the wood? Or are you
No, we're gonna move the piano
on the wood and not move the wood?
Yeah.
Okay, just wondered.
All right.
I wanna help.
Yeah, we'll get out of the way. That's what you should do.
Do you want me to put that, slide it back?
Just go, it's really stuck, huh? Okay, let's do the same for this one. That was pretty light. But we can't stand on the wood if we're trying to move the wood. Ready?
Ready?
It's all right, we're all done. You okay?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want to lift it and turn it, whoa, yeah, okay, never mind.
Flip it around.
Acá poquito, ¿no? Poquito a poquito. ¿Me va? ¿Más?
Ahí está, aquí ya está.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna need to move this wood some more. All right. It's not that heavy.
Ahora.
Yay!
Acá.
¿Ya? ¿Ya está, verdad?
This is what I call teamwork.
What?
Sorry, bro.
¿Listo? Ya. ¿Listo?
Ya.
Okay?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Ahí está,
happy.
madera.
Thank you.
Okay.
Fantastic. And I'll put all this back. Thank you.
All right. You gotta be careful because it'll break and it'll shatter. I would lean it against the wall until you're ready to get rid of it. We'll leave it out here. We'll do that.
What time is it?
29,
10 till?
10 till. Half the day's gone.
Yeah, no kidding. There is a huge gap between 9 o'clock in the morning and 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I had so much going on. Movers came and moved a lot of boxes out of the garage, after which I painted the cozy corner table and chairs a fresh coat of red paint. You may have noticed it's a brighter shade of red and less shiny. And I ran a lot of errands. So by the time I got back to filming again, the painters had gone and I was doing touch-up and watering. Take a look. I just want I just want to point out this incredibly gorgeous pepper plant. This is my Pantelleria pepper. I brought back one of these little chilies from Sicily in 2016, and I've been growing it ever since, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I just wanted to leave you with a little bit of red today. Well, a lot of red. Thanks so much for watching my channel, liking my videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you in the next installment of Follow My Journey. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.